Today we are thrilled to announce an exciting new update to SeedProd, custom author pages and post block layouts. These new additions make customizing your WordPress site easier while allowing you to add crucial SEO signals to boost your search engine rankings. When users see that your site has author pages, they're likely to trust its content. This can lead to more time spent on your site, more clicks, and more social shares, all of which Google takes into account when ranking websites. With this update, you can create an author page template that allows you to customize the page with any of SeedProd's WordPress blocks. You can now create simple global author pages. After creating an author page template, you can use the new author bio block to display information about a specific author. The block pulls this information from the WordPress user profile, so any HTML such as links to social media are displayed automatically. You can also add the post block to this page and select the default query to show that author's blog posts. Instead of simple global author pages, you can now also create custom pages for each author. Instead of simply showing the same generic page for all writers, you can tailor each page to include content relevant to specific authors. You can customize the page to include that author's content. For example, with the post blog, you can display that author's blog post to demonstrate their expertise and authority. You can also display an author's social media profile icons so users can follow their updates on other platforms. Embedding a feed of their most recent tweets is another excellent way to personalize an author's page while automatically updating it with fresh content. The options are limitless, and by the end, you'll have a beautiful SEO-friendly page for every author on your website. Another update we're excited to release is the ability to customize the post block layout further. Now you can customize blog pages to meet different styles and aesthetics with a few clicks. With this in mind, we've added skins and layouts to the post block, allowing you to quickly switch up your blog design without coding. Let's look at skins first, which are like mini themes for your blog page. In total, there are 4 skins, and you can select one by choosing it from the skins dropdown. The classic skin has the typical blog list layout you're used to. However, the card skin has a more modern design, featuring a prominent author profile picture. This skin also displays the post category in the top right corner of the featured image. The creative skin is another modern take on a blog list. It features an overlapping info box and a prominent category bubble above the post title and description. Besides new skins, we've also added layouts to the post block settings. First is the grid layout, which aligns all posts uniformly on the page. Then there's the masonry layout, which doesn't have a fixed row height. With this option, you can display a more Pinterest-like grid of posts, which helps you maximize page space and use images of different shapes and proportions. Last is the carousel layout, which allows you to display blog posts in an automatically sliding carousel. You can combine these layouts in any way that you like. If that wasn't enough, the post block has several new advanced customization options. You can customize the content area background, border, and taxonomy badge to meet your website's design. Along with the updates above, we've released 10 stunning new site kits that you can try out right away. They include themes for yoga and wellness, tattoo studio and barbershop, insurance website, energy saving website, charity website, newspaper magazine, shipping agency, plus you'll find 3 new WooCommerce themes for wedding and catering, cleaning service, and optician. As you can see, this update introduces several powerful changes that make WordPress customization much easier. But to enjoy these features, you'll need a premium SeedProd subscription. So if you haven't already, grab a copy of SeedProd Pro and take these features for a spin. You can find the link in the description below or visit seedprod.com. As always, thank you for helping us make SeedProd the best WordPress website builder.